Toy sahur. Mami, gusto mo bumili ng snacks?
Bakit na naman yung snacks na yan?
Ito, oh. Sarap yan. May iba't ibang flavor.
Masarap pa Cheetos dyan.
Cheetos, hindi. Pares lang sila. Cheeto. To Cheeto. Pag binaliktad mo, Cheeto. Harap ka kay Mami. Harap ka kay Mami.
Wala. Hayaan mo siya yung paan niya ano eh.
Ano nga?
Tili ng tili.
Since he was a baby, Harry has had a lightning-shaped scar on his forehead. At 10, he realized he could talk to animals. And whenever his emotions got
Bibi ko. Dalaga na ikaw, bibi ko. Dalaga na pala yan Dalaga na yung gandara ni Mami
10 years ago, a dark wizard terrorized the magical world, and Harry's parents died trying to stop him. The dark wizard aimed his wand at baby Harry, but something inside Harry fought back. The curse backfired, banishing the dark wizard. Everyone thought the wizard was gone for good, but he wasn't. Dumbledore knew it, and he
Bibing lab.
so he sent Harry to live.
13. Ang 13 na ngayon, di ba, Mi? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 6 days na lang. Ay, kailan ba Christmas party?
19 yata.
Tanong mo nga kay yung sa mama ni Al. Pag ano ka,
Hindi naman close yun.
grabe pag may tatanong daw, magtanong daw sa kanya.
19 yun, 19. Kasi wala. Sila kuya mo nga 19 eh.
11 kami din. 11.
Ano kasi?
Hindi, 11 a.m. Ay p.m. Ay a.m. Eleven. 11 a.m.
Pot ko! Why you're so pretty?
Sino pupuntahan mo? Christmas party.
Siyempre sa'yo, bakit hindi naman kailangan kila kuya mang Christmas party? Katanda na nun, binata na yun, sasamahan
Ano
pa.
kanila, sick?
Yata, di ko alam.